Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a complete disaster clean with me because my house is a complete disaster. So first I'm going to go ahead and just start cleaning my room. That's where I kind of like to start when I work upstairs. And right now I am going to just strip down my bed and wash these blankets.
What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring.
So if you guys are not new to my channel, then you probably already know that my #1 chore that I hate is folding clothes. I really hate folding clothes and putting them away. I don't mind washing them, but I hate putting them away. What is your least favorite chore? I'd love to hear. Sometimes I hear the craziest things that those things might not bother me, but they bother someone else. And folding, actually a lot of people usually say that they enjoy folding because they can kind of sit down, watch TV, but I hate it. Let me know in the comments. So right now I'm just kind of going through my mail and just sorting everything and getting rid of anything that we don't need.
But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had. But every second.
So as you can see, our mirrors are disgusting. Everything in this bathroom is so disgusting, and it needs to be disinfected, cleaned, all-purposed, whatever you want to call it. It really needs to be cleaned up. So that is what I'm doing here. Right now I am using my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaner, and what I ended up having to do was apply it actually a few times. I had to spray it down, wipe it, spray it again, and it's probably not the product. It's probably because we have a lot of like toothpaste buildup and all of that stuff from like the steam of the showers and things like that that are on there. So I'm not going to blame it on the product unless I have like a little bit less dirty mirror. Let me know in the comments if you guys have husbands or partners that leave their hair trimmings around the sink. That is something that my husband's done for years, and I just found out there's this awesome like Amazon product that it can literally wrap around the man's neck and then kind of like stick to the mirror, so while they shave their beards or trim their beard, all the hair drops into that net and then you just kind of throw it away. So I definitely want to invest in one of those. Let me know if you guys have a problem with beard hair in your bathrooms.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow, yo.
So right now I'm using the Kaboom shower cleaner, and this product was okay. I like how it turns blue, like right when you spray it, it's blue, and then as it's cleaning it, it turns white. So I really like how it does that, and it kind of shows me everywhere I sprayed, make sure I got all the areas in the bathtub.
Go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real, and I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's been enough for you. It's been enough for you.
If you guys are curious about any of the products that I'm using throughout my video, I do have links down below in the description box for you to check out. It just makes it a little bit easier, so you can just go to those links and see exactly what I'm using and all the details about that.
Break down when we're apart. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. 'Cause you make me feel we're in this for real, and I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's
So as you can see, the loft is a disaster. We basically like to have fun and camp out in here, me and Ava. So we have everything under the sun, from her toys to blankets, pillows, and everything. So I wanted to get that room tidied up, especially since I have clients walking through the house and I like to have everything clean and perfect. So that is what I'm doing here. So next I am going to go ahead and add a mattress pad onto my lash bed. If you're new to my channel, I am a lash artist, so I see my clients in this room and do their lashes and everything like that. So I just got sent this bed padding and I'm really liking it. It did give it a little bit more cushion. I will have the information for that in the description box. But yeah, it really helped out just to make it a little bit more comfortable. This is a twin size that I'm adding, and they obviously have all kinds of different sizes. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys got a lot of motivation from this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you join my family and hit that subscribe button. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!